Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in beauty products. Today, we are reviewing the BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set, a game-changer for anyone looking for flawless makeup application. If you're searching for the best sponge set that guarantees smooth, streak-free coverage every time, this is the one for you. The BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set comes with 5 multi-colored, latex-free sponges, designed to provide a soft, bouncy texture that blends your makeup beautifully. Whether you're using foundation, concealer, powder, or cream products, these sponges help you achieve a flawless finish effortlessly. The marshmallow soft texture ensures a smooth, even application, and the sponges bounce back to their original shape, even after prolonged use. One of the standout features of this set is the way it minimizes product absorption. Thanks to finely distributed pores, these sponges hold onto just the right amount of makeup, ensuring flawless coverage while also saving you product in the process. No more wasting your expensive foundation. The classic teardrop design makes it easy to get into all the hard-to-reach areas of your face, like under the eyes or around the nose. The round base is perfect for larger areas like your cheeks and forehead, providing smooth, even coverage without streaks. Whether you prefer applying your makeup wet or dry, these sponges perform beautifully. Use them dry for powders like loose powder or foundation, and wet them for creamy products like BB creams, concealers, or lotions. What's even better? These sponges are cruelty-free and vegan, so you can feel good about your purchase knowing that no animals were harmed in the process. They are also suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive, making them a versatile option for every beauty lover. Lastly, you don't need to break the bank to get a professional-grade product. The BEAKEY sponges offer top-quality performance at an affordable price, making them a great choice for both makeup artists and beginners alike. Plus, they are easy to clean and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. If you want the best makeup sponge set that guarantees flawless results every time, the BEAKEY Makeup Sponge Set is the way to go. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and tips on all the best beauty products. Thanks for watching Product Critique.